Hello creators, I'm Ben Tolson from Podia, and today we're doing a special video for a special time of year. This is the season when we get together with friends and family, we share laughter and joy, and we give gifts. So we decided we would use today's video to honor the spirit of the season and teach you how to wrap gifts like a pro. And fortunately for you, I'm a pro. Let's get into it. First, we're going to go over the things that you'll need in order to wrap a gift. You'll need a gift. The gift is inside a box, so you'll need a box to put the gift into. You'll need some type of adhesive item. We're going to get into this in a moment. This is stick glue from my child's classroom, but it was extra and he didn't need it, so I'm going to hold on to it for now. Need some scissors. These are also my child's scissors that I'm borrowing because I don't know where the big scissors are. Some delicious hot chocolate. This is important, don't forget the hot chocolate. And of course, some wrapping paper. Now it's really important when you get wrapping paper that you get something that is big enough to cover any size box you have. Kind of an all-in-one solution, sort of like Podia. Podia is an all-in-one solution for creators, in many cases replacing 5 or more tools that they use every day. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to roll the paper out onto the table. Place the box right here in the center. This paper has grid lines on it, and you can easily line the box up to the grid lines. This is so easy, it's intuitive, it's easy to use, just like Podia's user interface for our creators. Very intuitive, very easy to use. We want to wrap this around. Okay. We're going to make the cut about right here. Try to keep it nice and straight. Whew, that was a little bit of a workout, wasn't it? I'm gonna pull this flap back over and I'm gonna line the box up so that it's, again, nice and even with these grid lines. And I'm gonna pull one side up. Some people like to use glue and they'll glue the paper and put it, and that's, just for my taste, it's a little bit inefficient and it takes a long time. It's not very, it doesn't secure to the box very well. Whereas Scotch tape, it's fast, comes right off of here. Look at that. Look at that. And that wrapping paper is not going anywhere. That's nice and secure. See, fast and secure. Just like payment processing through Podia. When your customers buy things from you, you want the payments to be fast and secure, and that's how the tape works and that's how Podia works. So we got one side taped. We're gonna bring this over. Just gonna keep flipping it until I can bring this around. All right, and then I'm gonna get my tape and I'm gonna put a little piece just right there, like that. You could use more tape if you want to. You could go all the way to the edges. I'm a minimalist, so I try to use not as much tape for my boxes. Now at this point, I'm going to take a quick break and I'm going to take a sip of my hot chocolate. This is important because this is a lot of work, and when you do a lot of work like that, you need to refresh yourself, you need to replenish, you need to rejuvenate, and that's what the hot chocolate is for. Oh, that is delightful, and it makes me feel warm and fuzzy inside. Just like Podia's customer support. Anytime you interact with Podia's customer support, you just feel, it's delightful and you just feel warm and fuzzy inside. All right, now back to it. Now some people fold it in all neat and proper. I like to do the candy wrapper method. That's the good thing about having all this extra, is there's some flexibility and you can customize it the way that you want to present the gift. Just like your storefront on Podia, it's fully customizable, and you can customize it in such a way that presents your information in the best way possible for your customers. I'm just gonna take all of this and I'm gonna squeeze it together, and then I'm gonna take my big piece of tape and I'm gonna wrap it around. Oh, a little more rips there. It's okay. Nothing a little tape won't help. There we go. Fast and secure. Do the other side the same way. All right, now we have a gift. Nobody's going to be peeking into this box. I hope you enjoyed that tutorial. It was a pleasure for me to be able to share some of my expertise with you, and I hope you now feel like you can wrap your gifts like a pro. Thank you for watching, and happy holidays. This is actually cold coffee. I didn't make actual hot chocolate. This is probably the best wrapping job I've ever done. I really don't have the big scissors. I have no idea where they are, so I found these in my son's pencil box. So